In this tutorial, let's take a quick look at how to navigate Paddock Planner. From your LoadNet homepage, select the Paddock Planner button, or go to Business Details, then Paddock Planner. You'll land on the overview page with information on Paddock Planner and each of its functions, and how it interacts with the CDF app and My Dashboard reporting tool. Simply click on each section to read more. Paddock Planner has three key functions that you can select from the top banner. The Properties section is where you set up and manage your farms, including paddock boundaries, paddock hectares, and naming your paddocks. The Crop Estimates section is where you fill in your paddocks with the commodities and varieties sown and your delivery intentions. The Segregation Plan section will provide you with CBH's initial site segregation plans for harvest. When viewing any of the maps, you can switch to the hybrid for the detailed satellite map. You can pinpoint your current location and zoom the map with the buttons available on the screen or using the scroll button on your mouse. If you need to move the map, simply right-click with your mouse to drag it into position. Or use your finger if you have a touchscreen. Other useful features include an expand button so you can view in full screen, download or print your farm properties and estimates to a PDF. This may be useful for sharing with other members of your family, employees, or contractors. And the CSV file allows you to download your data for use elsewhere. There is a link that will take you to My Dashboard for reporting on your delivered loads. And you can download this handy user guide that provides detailed step-by-step instructions. That's a quick look at navigation. Check out the other tutorials for more detail on each of the functions.